often people need to find case studies about industries or topics in business, and those can be a little tricky to find. One way to do so is to use ProQuest One Business to help narrow some in. So what I like to do is go to the advanced search option, put in your topic here. I'm just doing issues about the environment and the cruise industry. And then down here from document type, select both business case and case study, and then do your search. What that helps is it helps narrow in on articles that the editors of these publications and of these databases have determined are case studies or business cases. So now looking at our results right here, we can see that we get some pretty targeted topics here about that industry. We see things about the environment, socioeconomic impacts. So this is a good way to get started. To use these things, just simply click on the article and you should see it. If you don't see it, you will likely see a Find It at DeWitt button, a red button, and click on that, and that will either take you to the article or initiate the interlibrary loan process. If you have any questions, just contact the library.